Hello everyone. How to see file extensions in Windows 11. By default, Windows hides file extensions. As we can see, there are no extensions. Only the file names are visible. But we usually want to see them, especially for safety reasons. There are two ways to enable them. Open File Explorer, go to View, then Show, and check File Name Extensions option. The extensions are now visible. Another option is to click on the three dots in the File Explorer and select Options. Here, click on a View tab, and in Advanced Settings, unmark Hidden Extensions for known file types, and click OK. Again, extensions are now visible, and that's it. I hope this helps. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, and see you next time.